video about you already excited about this product. Alright, let's jump right into it. The XT5 boasts a beast-like experience. Its headlight design resembles the clear gaze of the cheetah. Every edge and curve is the ultimate expression of the textile design aesthetics. In boost modes, you can go from 6 to 25 kilometers under 33 seconds. Isn't that surge absolutely amazing? This is all thanks to NAVEE's self-developed high-efficient depth-max impact motor. You push the fuel motor to a full 2,200 watts of output with over 40 Nm torque and up to 45% wheel climb. It's 80% more than the competitors. Let's move on to the suspension. The XT5 comes with front and rear mounted anti-pump suspension. Giving you 60 mm of travel, so no matter how rough the road is, your ride stays smooth and enjoyable. Has the off-road experience. We have equipped the XT5 with 12-inch off-road tires. There is stronger grip and better off-road passability. Also, XT5 can have flash charging. Taking just under 2 hours for a full recharge. Safety is also a key focus for us. The only Extra-Rabatt system really enhances handling stability. Meanwhile, when working in conjunction with traction control and oversized deck, this further improves handling and safety. This is only XT5 series, NAVEE's flagship effort to date. The XT5 is more than just an e-scooter, it is the cornerstone of NAVEE's new off-road platform. This is just the beginning. More new products based on this platform will be released in the future. So stay tuned. Now, how much will ST5 series cost? Everyone asks. Here is the official pricing for the XT5 series lineup. On top that, 1,399. Pro version is 949 euros. This is the N-Series starting. It has earned a strong user reputation thanks to its sturdy and robust frame, large deck, wide tires, and excellent load capacity. Many users choose to use it for outdoor exploration. Now, the all-new N65i Mark II builds on foundation to further upgrades. We have added the front fuel force suspension, upgraded its motor power to 1,350 watts, delivering even stronger acceleration and hill climbing performance. With best of all, at the set price point, we can further extend this range to 70 kilometers. This is the only N65i Mark II. There is the classic DNA of N-Series, but now with the better power, comfort, and compatibility. And still, the best thing is, it still comes at just 649 euros. We're adjusting what powers like on the road now will return to the city. For city riders, we bring that Ultra range technology engineered for long-daily convenience. By combining technology, FX effects, and smart ENS, it delivers more range, more efficiency, and more confidence. Let's begin with the old ST5 series. Building on the success of the ST3 released earlier this year, the new ST5 series takes everything further in range, performance, and intelligence. The ST5 continues our signature NP-arm suspension. Now, upgrade to a stronger shock absorption, whoever rides ST5 in the city will obtain to a smooth and stable commute. And today, we debut the NAVEE X power station on the ST5 series. It's the first in the industry to bring both extended range and enhanced power. You can easily came out with quick release. Let's let our product manager to show you. And take ST5 Max as an example. It uses S-Rate from 90 compared to 160. It's the only event of true full-speed range experience, but also lets you go the entire week without recharging. And the ST5 series is step further. It comes with a 3.5-inch smart TFT color display, delivering richer contrast, and it will support more smart features like real-time navigation and home location in the future. Then the app has got a major upgrade. With the new FIDLOCK and Apple Find, you will get smarter security every time. This is the only ST5 series with full range upgrade and a smaller urban commuting experience. ST5 Max is priced at $899 and Pro version is priced at $799. Today, we are developing the NAVEE K100 series. It's our first smart electric scooter designed especially just for kids. Wondering where your kids are or where they left their scooter? K100 Max is the first scooter with built-in Apple Wi-Fi. And also worry about kids go too fast. Apple takes the speed control so parents can take the pace. And safety always more top priority. The scooters have the inner all tires, brakes, special made for small hands, and non-plastic material used for brutalen. And of course, it's fun to ride. The K100 lights up with colorful ambient lights. The Max has a Bluetooth speaker and kids enjoy their favorite tunes. Plus, trustful handlebar and a swappable rear tank. Then the scooter grow and dance with your child. And finally, let's talk about price. Alright, that's the outfit price for the latest scooter family. You guys love it so far? By the way, the scooter is so that's why I can tell you now, so you kick off all of that. Let's take a big step back. Maybe this is just one scooter, there's so much work to do. Earlier this year, we launched the Werde series, which quickly grabbed a lot of attention and interest. And thanks to this powerful technology, Werde exploration is here and that's how we have been getting on every leg, so we can lower down the view of the best light, find the now, we have taken that technology to the next level. This is the new MODELLE, smarter and more intuitive than ever. We added camera recognition, you can remotely start it, with hand capture, with voice command, with switch to marshal mode. Touch screen shows live signals, and with GPS over 400 hours of action. Eco driving steps and more. And doctors, curious of what's more? We'll share more information in December. From high-speed e-bikes to electric motorcycles like the NAVEE XT5. We are building a next-gen riding ecosystem, efficient, robust, and electrified. XT5 is the perfect blend of power and safety. With a 1,000-watt drive motor, 160 Nm of torque, and up to 260 km range, it makes long commute effortless. Equipped with radar blind spot detection, Shimano 11 speed shifting, and Bayerische 75i precision brakes. Fast, stable, and safe. This isn't just a e-bike, it's ultimate low-range companion for every serious rider. The price is set at €8,620. The rollers are neutral steering powered by electric components. This is kilowatt motor, 190 Nm of torque, 85 km/h top speed, and 120 km range. brings road silence to every ride. What makes it special? Diversity, respect? Nah. The feeling of freedom. Motorcycle is powerful, stylish, and full of stuff. NAVEE Ultra is priced at $6,999. NAVEE is more than a technology brand. We are a movement, a lifestyle for those who refuse to be limited. In just 3 years, NAVEE is in core areas like power, control, chassis, and intelligence. And from 2026, we will move against scooters into all the robotics. With AI, we are transforming into a new era. I would like to invite dear guests and colleagues to present